Hi there, it's me again, Waldo. Today we are hoisting the largest sectional we have ever hoisted. The total assembled length of the sectional is 16 feet. The estimated weight of the whole thing is 450 pounds, so we are talking about some serious business. To avoid any damage during the hoisting, we wrap and protect the two sections completely. We protect the grass and patio flooring. Next, we set up our hoisting. It is showtime. First, we bring the bed part of the sectional. It will be hoisted on its bottom. Next, we will hoist the longest part of the sectional, measuring almost 11 feet. Today is very windy, so we strap the couch firmly to the hoist. And there we go. We do the hoisting the right way, with equipment. Muscles can cramp, ropes can fail, improvisation can lead to serious body injuries, accidents and property damage. Sorry competition, but we do moving services better than anybody else. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now we will unwrap and put the sectional together. Et voila! And as always, God bless America!